The first thing you're going to do is launch your web browser. Then go to secondlife.com. You're going to click on the orange button to join now. And then you will be asked to choose an avatar. For our purposes, I would like you to be sure to choose people. And I think I'll choose this avatar. Next, you'll have to choose an avatar name. Think about it and choose carefully because you will have this avatar name for a long time. And you're going to have to choose a name that no one else has chosen. So that will take a few minutes. So take a couple of minutes and choose a name. Okay, so I'm going to try English Maven. I'm going to check the availability. And it looks like it's available. I'm going to click on Next Step. And here they're going to ask for my email address. Now use an email address that you have access to all the time because you're going to need to receive current email from Second Life. And then it will ask you to select a question, a security question. So fill out all of the security information, write it down. And then click Create Account. Okay, now all we need is the free account. So select Free. And now it will ask you to download and install Second Life. So click on the download button. And I'm on a Mac, so it will be saving my DMG file to my download folder. Okay, the download is complete. So I'm going to click on my download folder and double click on the DMG file. Okay. And then it will open up a window and it will give you an icon, the Second Life icon, and you'll just drag that into the folder it's showing, and that is the Applications folder. Another thing I like to do is to go into my Applications folder and click on the Second Life icon and drag it down to my dock. Now, if you are on a Windows machine, you are going to click on the orange button that says Download the Second Life Viewer on Windows. So click on that to download it. And it will say you have chosen to open Second Life, whatever the version is, setup.exe file. Click on Save, and it is going to download to your download folder. Okay, now we have to go find your download folder. So minimize your web browser. We're going to go up and click on the Documents folder. And that will open a window and it will show us many different folders in the left pane. The third item on the left is Downloads. Click on that and you will see the Second Life Setup download. Double click on that and it will ask you if you want to run the program. Say yes. Please select the language. You want it to be in English since we're working in English. And it will take it and put it in your program files, which is normal. Click on the Install button. And it will extract all of the files and install them. It takes a couple of minutes. When it is finished installing, it will ask you if you would like to start Second Life now. You may click on Yes. So what it will do is it will go through an initialization process while it is setting up, so that will take a minute. Once it finishes initializing, a window will open, ask you if you want to create an account. You can just click on Continue since you already have an account. Now sometimes it will ask you if you would like a newer driver for your graphics chip. I usually don't do this. It usually leads nowhere. If you would like to go ahead and investigate that for yourself, go ahead, but I often click No. And in fact, don't show me this again. Okay, now we're ready to log in and begin using Second Life together on both the Mac and Windows platforms.